There, just to make sure I'm not a liar. Here we go. There's one bedding spot. And there's the other one right here. It's a little hard to make out with the shadows. And there's a third one right there. And a fourth one over there. Oh. Walk over a couple more feet. Well, that's nicely melted out one. This one right here. I don't see any more close. Yeah, so at least 5 slept right here. Cool. Cool. He's going to follow where they went. Come on, bud.